What's going on, Profit Cleaners? Brandon Shane, Brandon Condry in the house. Just wanted to drop in on the group today and say you guys are doing awesome. And also wanted to share with you guys how you can be doing even more awesome in your business. One of the things that we learned early on was finding a mentor and modeling something that's already working will compress time for you guys. It will literally shave 10 years off your life of trying to figure it out. Brandon and I, we're trying to live stream this into the group. Hopefully it's live streaming in the group. But I can speak for both of us, Brandon. I think having a mentor, having a blueprint in the beginning definitely helped us. Would you agree?
Yeah, I mean, you're jumping off after someone else made a bunch of mistakes, so you learn from someone who's done it. That's the whole point.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're following in someone else's footsteps, there's a quote I love. It's like, don't be a pioneer with your face down in the mud and arrows in your back. Don't be the first one to try something, because you're going to make mistakes. Learn from other people's mistakes, and that's going to help you guys, again, save time. None of us have a lot of time, especially if you're running a business, you got a family, you got other things going on. So that's why we've done the Profit Cleaners. That's why we've put this program into place, is to help you guys to create a mentorship, to create a model that you guys can model after something that's working and compress that time. So Brandon, I think a lot of people, probably including us, would have taken probably 10 years to build a business to 7 figures, but we were able to do it in 3 years. And I would say a big part of that was modeling something that was working. Would you agree with that?
Correct. Yeah. Yeah, of course. And
yeah.
So Yep, absolutely. So we've packaged all that up. There is a masterclass that will kind of teach you how to do that as well. But yeah, I think it's a good key to success to model what's already working.
Exactly. And a lot of you guys ask us that on our strategy call, so that's why we're making this post in the group. But a lot of you guys say, like, I just would love to have a blueprint. I would love to have a mentorship. In today's world, we live in one of the most incredible times where you guys can find, if it's not us, find somebody else to be your mentor, but model what's working. And that's, again, going to just save you guys so much time and help you guys take a huge leap over making your own mistakes and doing it along the way. So where can they go watch the masterclass, Brandon?
Yeah, so that's profitcleaners.com/masterclass, all one word. And that's where you can learn what we do, how we do it, all that good stuff.
That's right, guys. So go check out the masterclass. If you need the blueprint, you need some help along the journey, hit us up. Let's have a strategy call. Let's talk about what you got going on in your business and see how we can help. So profitcleaners.com/masterclass. We'll see you guys on the inside. Keep it clean.
Keep it clean.